The Digital Marketing Career Roadmap: A Beginner's Guide. Are you an aspiring digital marketer looking to kickstart your career in the exciting world of marketing? Look no further. In this video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step roadmap on how to become a successful digital marketer. Let's get started. Firstly, you need to build a strong foundation of knowledge. Understand the core concepts of marketing, including consumer behavior, market segmentation, branding. Educate yourself through books, online courses, and workshops. Digital marketing offers a plethora of channels to promote products and services. Explore and understand channels like SEO, social media, marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Now it's time to get hands-on experience. Build your own online presence through personal branding. Create a blog, manage social media profiles, or launch a small e-commerce website. In the highly competitive digital marketing industry, networking is key. Attend industry events, join social media marketing groups, and connect with professionals. Seek out a mentor who can guide and inspire you. Digital marketing is continuously evolving. Stay up to date with the latest trends, algorithm changes, and tools. Subscribe to industry newsletters, follow influential blogs, and attend conferences. Becoming a successful digital marketer requires dedication, persistence, and a commitment to lifelong learning. Embrace the challenges. Stay curious and never stop growing. We hope this guide has provided you with the necessary guidance to embark on your journey to become a digital marketing expert. Let us know in the comments below.